Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how to easily paint snow on mountains and create a shimmering lake in just a few simple steps? Today I will show you exactly how to do that while we paint a breathtaking view from Queenstown's Glenorchy. This tutorial is beginner friendly and packed with easy techniques you can use for your own landscapes. Stick around to the end for the tips to make your painting truly shine. Let's get started. We are starting with a quick and easy sketch. Draw a horizontal line about 1/3 from the bottom. This is our horizon. Next, outline the right mountain, then the left ones. Keep it light, just enough to guide your painting. Now here's a little trick. Use masking tape to cover the horizon line. This keeps the lake area clean and gives us a crisp edge while painting the sky and the mountains. Let's begin with the sky. Wet the sky area with clean water but leave the mountains dry. We will use ultramarine for the sky, painting in a diagonal direction to create movement. Leave a few space unpainted for clouds. If you are nervous about clouds, don't worry. Just let the white of the paper peek through, and it will naturally look like fluffy clouds drifting by. These diagonal stroke techniques will give your sky some beautiful energy, just like the one in our photos. Once the sky is dry, we will move on to the mountains. For the left mountains, mix ultramarine, burnt sienna, and green. Add a touch of lemon yellow for those green patches you see in the slopes. Start applying color to the left side of mountains. Don't forget to leave some areas unpainted for snow. To create depth, use a darker mix. Add more burnt sienna and apply to the edges of the mountain shadows. Now for the right mountains, let's use a dry brush technique. Dip your brush in paint, then dab off the excess. Sweep lightly over the paper to create some sparkling hints of snow. This technique is super fun and gives a stunning effect without overworking the painting. Now it's time to remove the masking tape. Look at the clean horizon line. For the lake, mix turquoise blue with ultramarine. Use a flat brush to work wet on dry for crisp reflections. Leave some sparkles by skipping areas with your brush. This will make the water shimmer in the sunlight. Don't forget the shadows. Add the deeper blue in places to create contrast and make the water feel alive. This step is quick but so satisfying. It really brings the painting together. Finally, let's add a little mixed green where the lake meets the mountains. This suggests hills and trees and ties everything together. Keep it loose, just a few dabs of color will do. And there you have it, a beautiful Queenstown Glenorchy landscape. Thank you so much for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Have you ever painted a scene from your travels? Don't forget to subscribe for more watercolor tips and tutorials and hit that bell icon so you will never miss a video. I will see you in this one. Happy painting!